It is very clear to us that the Election Commission is compromised. It's very clear that there is something very wrong with the system. We've said it. We've said it publicly. I've said it multiple times. I've said it in. In simple terms, more people voted in the Maharashtra Assembly elections than there are adults in Maharashtra. This is the fact. And the Election Commission gave us a figure, voting figure for 5:30 in the evening. And between 5:30 in the evening and 7:30 in the evening, when the polls were supposed to have closed, 65 lakh voters voted. Now, that is physically impossible to happen, right? Because for a voter to vote, it takes approximately 3 minutes. And if you do the math, it would mean that there were lines of voters till 2 o'clock at night voting all night, and this didn't happen.
देखिए, तथ्यात्मक बात कर रहे हैं राहुल जी। तथ्यात्मक बात कर रहे हैं, कोई ऐसी हवा में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं राहुल जी। राहुल जी की बात का जवाब देना चाहिए। कीचड़ उछालने से बेहतर है चुनाव के अंदर, चुनाव प्रणाली के अंदर पूरी तरह से पारदर्शिता होनी चाहिए।
Here is Rahul Gandhi, who time and again undermines India's institutions. He has already said he's fighting Indian state. Then he goes abroad and he also attacks Indian institutions. India's institutions, which are संवैधानिक institutions, इनका अपमान has become Rahul Gandhi's पहचान।
राहुल गांधी जी का यही फ्रस्ट्रेशन है कि आज वो विदेश की भूमि में जाकर भारत और भारत के महान लोकतंत्र को अपमानित कर रहे हैं, उसे बदनाम कर रहे हैं।